first started working here, I was 19, just out of high school, and just wanted to have a good job, and I never dreamed it'd last this long, but it's been good, and so I just kind of instilled that to younger people that they could, plan to be here for a long time, and work around good people and safety and everything is really excellent. It's like if you enjoy what you're doing, you don't have to work a day in your life, so that's kind of, I try to come to work with a good positive attitude and come to work with put in 110% and just do the best you can. Being around good people, good management, that we have our home family and then we have our work family. So when we work together, so there's a lot of the guys we work with are like, family. So it's pretty neat. The management is really good, and to where if they have a problem, they go talk to somebody, and I think it's really good. Just like with my supervisor, he does a real good job, and we could talk like we're talking now, and just about anything. So it's really neat. A lot to do with safety, because back in the old days, it was safety, but not like, I'm glad they have their meetings and everything to go over and tag out, lock out, everything, fire, everything. So. Well, with the new lathe, the main thing, is the quality, because we've been trying to maintain for the last few years, or more than a few years, that to maintain the quality. And I think with the new lathe, it's really going to make a difference on the quality to provide for our customers and be able to produce the best quality veneer that we could produce. And I think with the new lathe that it's really going to improve the quality. I feel privileged and honored to be able to be a part of this, so it's been really exciting for me. I'm able to retire with a good attitude that I did the best I could